Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I want to quickly show you one of our trading solutions, which is Engulfing Finder. So this indicator helps to find engulfing candles on the chart. It works on all time frames and it also works on all pairs, on all financial instruments, forex, stock, commodities, and all. Okay, so I'll quickly show you how it works. I'll quickly show you how it works right now. So first of all, you go to your indicator where you have it. So in this case, I have it under this Trading Pro. So these are the list of custom indicators. So I look for the engulfing finder. Okay, this is it. So I attach it to the chart. Okay. So it has about three notifications that it gives whenever the indicator prints out on the screen, whenever it plays out. Okay, and it's non-repaint. So anytime the indicator prints, it's not going to remove it. Okay, so it's non-repaint indicator. All right, so you can turn this off if you don't need a push notification to your mobile device. You can change the color and also the width size. All right, so straight, let me just click OK. So that's it. So this is the candlestick finder, which is engulfing finder. Okay, so I'll zoom in and show you I'll zoom in and show you. Okay, this is an engulfing candle and prints. This is an engulfing candle, it prints. So it gives you good signal. This is an engulfing candle. It prints for a buy. Now it prints on the next candle after the engulfing candle is confirmed. Okay, we have a number of filters we gave to it. That's why you notice, for instance, let's go to the bigger time frame. It hardly prints. Most times when it prints, it would give you your desired output. You can see this. Okay, so ideally, there's a filter will give. It would signal this for itself. So but we just want one of the best results. So it just gives you a good engulfing candle. Okay, so you might have it fail sometimes. So basically what you do is wait for your signal. Sorry, identify your trend yourself, then trade in line with the trend. So probably you identify this is a buy market, for instance. Or let's say you've identified this as a sell market, then you wait for it to print out. So probably you also have this place as your support line, and this is just a double confirmation. So you take your trade. All right. So it works very well. It works very well for anyone interested in candlestick formation. Let me look for gold. Oh no, let me just look for any other pair. Let me look for, let's see, Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Okay, this played out. Of course, you discover this is a flag. So, that's why I said you need to identify your trend. You need to identify this is a bearish flag. So you shouldn't have traded this. So you just look for your trend and know what you're looking for. Okay, the trend got broken. We had a coach here. So change of character. So at that point, you should pick this buy and you will ignore the sell. Okay, so you don't just trade it anytime it comes out. Also add the change of character here. So you could take this sell as well. So of course, you notice this is a bearish a bearish flag. So you wouldn't pick the buy already. We have a change of character here. So you pick the sell. So you should just know the right thing to do. You should know the right thing to do. Trade it in line with the trend. So of course you understand that candlestick formation, mostly on the smaller time frame, does not give you the direction of the market. It rather gives you your entry. So that's just what it is. All right. I believe you love this. You can subscribe on our channel if you love what we are offering, what we are doing here. And this is your first time of seeing our videos, coming across our videos. Kindly subscribe. to this channel, and also make your request for productions of for creation of your bots from your strategies, or you can also um, ask for indicators and forest bots would be willing to serve you anytime, any day. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day.